In the beginning of this year, Samsung quietly took away the Galaxy S25 Ultra support for air actions and remote camera shutter functions, even though the S Pen still had its signature spot. Now, new leaks say that signature spot might not be around for much longer. A famous leaker named Flash Panda Pro recently said on X that Samsung is thinking about taking the S Pen clip off of all future Galaxy S Ultra models. The move would free up room inside the phone, which Samsung reportedly wants to use for bigger batteries. For years, Samsung's Ultra flagships have only had 5,000 mAh batteries, even though fans have asked for longer battery lives. In a later post, the source said that Samsung hasn't made a decision yet. For now, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which is set to come out in 2026, could still have the S Pen in its own spot. But talks inside the company say that the Galaxy S27 Ultra, which is set to come out in 2027, will probably be the first model to not have storage built into the body of the pen. More information from WCC Tech supports this idea. Even if Samsung gets rid of the built-in slot, the S Pen might still work. Reports say that Samsung is thinking about using strong magnets on the outside of the pen to keep it in place, like it does with the S Pen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. That device can be used with a pen, but buyers have to buy and carry the S Pen separately. Aside from the S Pen changes, there is no way to add internal storage. Samsung is also looking at its hardware layout again to make the batteries last longer. One idea being considered is making the back camera setup smaller. The company is said to be looking into variable angle lens technology, which could get rid of the need for multiple camera sensors. If there are fewer sensors, there is more space inside the chassis. More space could mean a bigger battery or better thermal control. If these ideas come together, the Galaxy S Ultra line could get a major design makeover that hasn't happened in years. Longtime fans might not be happy about getting rid of the built-in S Pen, but Samsung seems to be shifting its focus to performance-first goals, such as longer battery life, better internal efficiency, and simpler plans for components. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.